Hello everybody. Today we will spend a little time discussing how MBA development management is different from conventional MBA programs. Now why this is important to know? It's important to know because MBA development management, like many sectoral MBAs, opens up a very specific specialized arena of career opportunities to specific, concrete, specialized solutions which conventional general MBA programs are really speaking unable to provide perspective and knowledge on. Now, having said that, let me just briefly outline what are the kind of we are in the first few decades of 21st century, and having been ravaged by the corona pandemic, things have become very volatile, uncertain, and at the same time development as such, and maybe more specifically sustainable development, which has become almost everybody's concern in 21st century, is something which needs a very specialized professional mindset. The sustainable development itself is a very wide-ranging kind of task, right from organizations which deal with nutrition, public health, to organizations, you will be surprised to know very interestingly, to even organizations who manage and accredit the quality of hospitals. I mean, the MBA development management graduates are also able to work in those kind of setups. And then you have National Health Mission, then you have National Rural Livelihood Mission. All the missions, actually all the important flagship missions of the government of India, who have their state counterparts, are where most of the candidates. Then there are large national civil society organizations. Pradhan is one of them. Foundation for Ecological Security is another I could think of. And then you have these upcoming corporate social responsibility organizations or philanthropies or foundations. Prominent recruiters among them for us have been Reliance Foundation has been one of them. Then there has been a very interesting organization called Lady Bamford Charitable Trust, which is actually the CSR arm of JCB Foundation. The recruitment opportunities are quite wide, starting from government jobs to CSOs of national repute to even corporate organizations, philanthropies and foundations. And apart from that, there are two interesting career paths which I see students increasingly taking. One of them is setting up one's own enterprise. Another career opportunity which I see students seeking out is that they want to study after this. They want to study more. Anybody who is a graduate and is eligible, first of all, can do this course. Ideal candidate can have diverse educational backgrounds. Minimum common things are a desire to be altruistic, meaning a desire to live one's own life as a kind of life which is connected to the life of others around. Good communication abilities and flair for it, passion for talking to people, passion for traveling, passion for going to different places, love for language, and of course diverse backgrounds, BScs, BComs, BBAs, BAs, and of course your whole inventory of different kind of engineers. All of them can be can do well in development management.